Welcome to the Weird Water simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the motion of water particles in the various states of matter. The Atoms and Molecules menu provides you with a way to change the substance currently inside the chamber. Select the name of the substance to place it in the chamber. The solid, liquid, and gas buttons on the right side of the screen change the state of matter of the substance inside the chamber. The thermometer at the top of the chamber displays the temperature inside the chamber. The slider on the heat and cold device adds heat to the chamber by moving the slider up, or removes heat from the chamber by sliding it down. The motion of the particles inside the chamber can be stopped by selecting the pause button. This toggles to a play button to return the motion of the particles inside the chamber. The orange reset button returns the screen to its original state.